Look at that color. If you think bakery quality bread is out of reach for your home kitchen, think again. We are making something truly special, a vibrant, earthy matcha green tea bread. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this stunning loaf using my secret weapon, the Overmont Enameled cast iron bread oven. This isn't just any Dutch oven. It's a 6-quart powerhouse designed specifically for bread bakers. From its shallow base to its high dome lid, every inch is engineered to help you bake the perfect loaf. Let's get baking! In a large bowl, whisk together 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of high-quality culinary matcha, sugar, and salt. Now, add the instant yeast. Add warm water and a splash of oil. Mix until you have a sticky, shaggy dough. No need for a stand mixer, we're keeping it rustic. Cover this up and let it rise for about an hour and a half until it doubles in size. Our dough has risen beautifully. Now, gently fold it into a round loaf. We want to keep those air bubbles inside. We'll let it rise for another 30 minutes while we preheat the Dutch oven. Here's where the Overmont bread oven really shines. Notice this shallow bottom? Unlike traditional deep Dutch ovens where you risk burning your knuckles dropping the dough in, this low profile base makes placing your dough effortless. See? No drop, no flop. Just perfect placement every time. Safety is huge when you're dealing with 450-degree heat. The Overmont features this wide, upward, tilted handle that gives you a secure grip even with its bulky mitts. Plus, it comes with its own heat-resistant pot holders. Bake covered for 30 minutes. Time to lock in the magic. This high dome lid offers ample space for our bread to rise without hitting the top. Then uncover to brown the crust. The heavy-duty cast iron offers incredible heat retention, and that tight-fitting lid traps steam inside. This is a secret to that bakery-style, crackly crust and soft, airy interior. Look at that! The crust is golden, crisp, and singing with heat. Cleanup is a breeze too. The smooth enamel surface means you can just wipe away residue with a soft sponge. No scrubbing required. And because it's so elegant, you can take the Overmont straight from the oven to the table for serving. Whether you're baking bread, roasting, or making stews, the Overmont Enameled cast iron bread oven is the versatile tool for your kitchen needs. Crunchy on the outside, soft and earthy on the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye!